In this example, we'll see how to apply filters. Go to the Filters menu, then Effects. Here you'll see black and white effects as well as cinematic effects. If you want to convert the image to black and white, we also have special black and white effects available. Now, let's say you want to convert green to orange. You can preview it. Or maybe convert green to teal. If that looks better, go ahead and add it. You'll see it added to the History panel. Now let's apply a cinematic effect. There are many options. Let's say this one looks good. We'll add it too. Then click the OK button. As you can see, the image now has a nice cinematic effect. Next, we'll go back to Filters and apply Radiance. This gives the image a dreamy look. You'll also find the matte option here. It adds a matte effect to the image. You can see the before and after. It doesn't look good for a wedding photo, so we'll cancel that. Now let's apply vignette. We'll reduce the radius a bit and increase the feather. You can see the before and after. Okay, so that's how you can use the filter menu. Before, after, before, after.